Navigating N8n is like unlocking a powerful toolbox for automation. First, let's dive into the interface. You'll see the workflow editor front and center. This is where the magic happens. Drag and drop nodes to create your workflows. Each node represents a different action or service. Want to connect your email to a spreadsheet? Just add the relevant nodes and link them together. Now let's explore some key features. The trigger nodes are essential. They kick off your workflows based on events. Use the HTTP request node to integrate with APIs seamlessly. And don't forget about the built-in functions for data manipulation. These can save you tons of time. If you run into issues, check the execution log. It provides detailed insights into what went wrong. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the learning process. With N8n, you're not just automating tasks, you're streamlining your entire workflow. Embrace the journey, and soon you'll be automating like a pro. Navigating N8n is like unlocking a powerful